Now, if you're curious as to where Dragon is, you can, of course, follow Dragon yourself. We have it on our website, spacex.com/follow-dragon, and it shows you exactly where Dragon is along its path. Once it is all the way down, there will be some hooks that lock in to make sure that it is locked up, as Jesse had said earlier. Once again, we will not be using the forward bulkhead Draco thrusters anymore.
Honestly, this view is just so cool to see everything that's happening. You can still see Earth. You've got Dragon maneuvering. You've got the nose cone closing. And you get to see the Skywalker mobility aid all in one.
We can see that nose cone coming down to its final position ever so slowly and ever so sadly.
Slow and steady. And again, we close the nose cone in preparation for re-entry of the vehicle. This helps keep the nose cone safe, intact with the vehicle. Again, we are going to close this and lock this, and this protects the top part of the vehicle as it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere. Now, we don't necessarily need it for Dragon, but we do want to protect that Skywalker during re-entry, which we don't typically have or haven't had before on Dragon missions. So this nose cone will actually keep that Skywalker mobility aid pretty safe as well.
Indeed. Now, while all this has been going on, the vehicle has initiated the nitrox suit purge. This helps to keep our crew members cool and comfortable during re-entry, which once again, we expect that to occur here in a few minutes, in about a half hour, or a little bit less than a half hour. The exterior of the vehicle will reach temperatures of about 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Recovery ship stationed out in the water.
That is a sight to see for the people that are watching this live.
Yeah.
It's not a comet. It is just the Polaris Dawn crew coming back to Earth.
From about 350 miles per hour when they deploy, down to about 119 miles per hour when the main parachutes deploy. There we can see that the drogue chutes have successfully
200 embraced.
Bracing for splashdown.
That will be the final call we hear from Jared until contact with the ocean surface. Standing by for a splashdown of the Polaris Dawn crew. And there you can see.
SpaceX copies VC splash.
The recovery team will come in, and there is our Polaris Dawn crew, our first live view with the side hatch open.